This book is in two sections, and the first section that we're going to work on, it concerns playing in the first position. What is a position on the guitar? A position is the area on which you play the notes with your left hand. And the number of the position is where your first finger normally plays everything. We're going to play everything in the first position, meaning that the first finger plays everything first fret, second finger, second fret, third, third, fourth, fourth. If we were to play something in the fifth position, it would be first finger in the fifth fret, second finger in the sixth fret, third, seventh fret, fourth finger in the eighth fret. So we're going to be in first position. It's also called open position because you're able to play many notes open strings without pressing on the frets. So we're going to learn your first scale, and that's the C scale. The C scale, if you look at a piano, has all the notes, all the white notes on the piano. Those are the notes that are contained in the C scale. So we're going to go over a number of things about terminology right now, and then we're going to play more. Just to explain how to find the fingering and how to play the note of each of these exercises. Let's just look at the, not exercise one, but the two lines above exercise one that state the scale. You see C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Those are above the notes, so those are the names of the notes. Now there are numbers actually that are next to the notes in circles. Those indicate throughout this whole method the string that you play the note on. All right? And the numbers that are above the notes, no circles around them, are the fingers that you use. So in other words, there's a note C that's played, circle, fifth string, with your third finger, which we're in first position, so would be third fret. D is fourth string open. E is fourth string, second fret. F, third fret. G, open third. A, second fret, third string. B, open second. C, second string, first. Okay, so this is what those two lines sound like. They're half notes, so they get 2 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4. While you're playing, look at the notes, not just the fingerings. Okay, now here's something that I will mention throughout these lessons. The easiest way to play guitar is staccato. Staccato meaning the notes are short. It also takes the least amount of strength. We want to learn how to play legato, which means you're holding the notes throughout the whole time value of that note and trying to connect the notes. This is not only important musically, it is important physically. You will build strength with your left hand, and that's a very important hand to have strength in, to play notes and chords by playing legato and practicing that way. So you may get tired of me saying it, but here's the first time. Let's play legato, okay? Exercise 1 uses all the notes from the C scale that we just played. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line coming up. Notice open G, E, Let that pick fall to the next string. One, two, three, four. When you're looking at the music, get used to looking at the note, not just the fingering. That way you'll start to recognize the notes. If you have good hand position and your pick is always playing rest, you know where your fingers are on the left hand and you know where the pick is on the right hand. You can concentrate on looking at the notes. Also, when playing a piece of music that you're reading, it's always good, as soon as you play that first note, you concentrate on looking at the second note and playing that in time. So let's look at exercise 2, which is on page 5. This is the beginning of playing chords. Why do I say that? Chords are 3 or more notes that are played together. And this is how we start playing chords, written out notes for these chords. If you notice, it says hold notes down so that we're prepared to play that chord. So the first 2 measures have a C, an E, and a G, and then we play all 3 together. Then the next 2 measures, F, A, C, hold all those notes together, thus also exercising the hand and giving it strength. Play the F chord. That's F. F, G, B. Play those notes together. Then E, G, C. All right, and hold those chords out. When you're playing a chord, the note that you want to hear, if it's not just a rhythm chord, if it's a written chord like this, you always want to hear the top note loudest. So that's why we can hear it when we do that rest stroke. So now I will play exercise 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold those notes down. Always look ahead. Good. I'll keep the metronome going because we'll go right into exercise 3, which is the same principle. We're playing the notes, holding the notes, and then strumming those notes to make a chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Keep that C down now. F is played with your 4th finger. In the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th measure of that exercise 3, there is a, actually it starts in the 3rd when we play C, F, A. We're going to use our 4th finger playing that F. Yes, we're still in 2nd position, but many times we have to move some fingers around so that we can get the notes to sound. So you might want to practice. That's the hardest part of that exercise. And you will see that chord in exercise 4. So what I will do now is let's play exercise 4. This is combining scale and chords. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. That last chord in the last measure is a combination of and. Okay, so I don't expect you to play this right away with me. What I expect you to do is see the way I play it, and then I want you to practice it. Practice each measure, trying to get those chords, play it slowly, and then try playing it with me. Look at it again, observe me playing it. Again, look at the music. The metronome is on 80 beats per minute. So, and then work it out so that you can play it with me.